All right, this is my 72 Blazer. I've been wheeling down in Moab for several years, and we had a lot of cracks on the frame. Cracks here, several around the bolts for the power steering pump. So decided it was time to put the ORD frame repair kit on it. This kit is for 73 through about 89 square bodies, but with just a little bit of trimming along the top here, and I believe a little bit on the bottom, you can make it work for 67 to 72. So we've already got this plate welded in, and the kit comes with a bottom plate that will fit right down to the top. And as if you get the kit, it won't look exactly like this because again, it had to be modified, but it's still worth buying the kit. The rivets were in a slightly different place. I had to drill a hole here, and the frame is a little bit narrower on a first gen, so I had to cut that there. Because of the number of cracks I had, I decided to go ahead and fabricate a top plate as well, and that will fit right up there. Part of the reason for that is also, you can see it's narrower right here. That's because I had to clearance it a little bit. I've got a 6.0 LS in this, and the power steering pulley is real close, and under certain articulation, it was actually contacting the frame. So I notched that out a little bit. So this should help provide a little bit more strength here. A little bit later, we'll be putting in a steering brace behind here, and I'll show you that later. All right, let's get to welding. All of the welding is now done on the top and bottom plates, and the next step is going to be building the brace that's going to fit behind the power steering pump box. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to use these spacers, and these will go on the back side just for illustration. That's how that's going to work. But on the back side, and that'll give us something to weld our brace to. And that'll go on the back of the bolts, these two bolts here, and then we'll have another one that will go on the cross member here, and that'll get a lot more strength onto this brace.